All right, we are back here in a Mark 7 Volkswagen GTI. We have a DSG gearbox and a very nice wet rainy day at Road America. I always like to get a drive in a GTI. It reminds me of my Mark 6 that I had a few years ago before the BRZ. This is a great car. We will see how it does around track. A little bit soft, at least sprung at least. Nice steering, nice front end. A lot of slippery action there. These all-season tires don't have as much grip on Road America as I would think. Love the power. This DSG is making good shift decisions on its own in sport mode. Good traction out of corners. GTI is smooth and fluid. Lots of nice refinement here in the steering, great weighting. It's not as raw and brutal as the Veloster N, but it's still very capable. Great speed on the back straight here. Brakes seem to be holding up very nicely. And that limited slip front differential pulls you out of the corner very easily. These Mark 7s are just great overall cars. They've been continually improving this GTI for years. And you really can't go wrong if you need a practical hatchback that does it all. Awesome. Quick steering. It's not as responsive on these tires, but again, you're going to be making some concessions somewhere. And out of the box, it can work on track, but only for a few laps. Love the seats, the interior quality, the fit and finish of this. I think right now, though, in 2019, this Mark 7 is due for a little bit of an update. I'm sure the Mark 8 is around the corner. Well, there you go, guys. DSG GTI around Road America. Fun little car. Does really well with the new diff, and the power feels awesome. This dual clutch really puts the power down well, and has great manners on the track. Always fun to get back in the GTI. We are back in the Hyundai Veloster N. Last time I drove this was at Hyundai's Proving Grounds in California. And today we're at Road America. Should be a good time. We are in N mode with rev match engaged and ESC Sport. Best sounding hot hatch here today for sure. Front end on this car is so sharp. It does such a nice job on turn-in, and carving differential really puts the power down well. Pulls awesome, pretty stable under braking. And there's a ton of torque to pull you out of corners. Gives you so much confidence, even today with a slippery track and wet driving conditions. I can feel like I can push just a little bit more than anything else that I've been driving around here. The Veloster N does not disappoint on Road America, that is for sure. Ending the video with a couple of pops. What a fun little thing. I love this car, but for the money, you really can't go wrong with this new N. It's a very, very impressive hot hatch, and way hotter than I ever thought it would be. Alright guys, well thanks for watching. We will see you in the next video. Take care.